So the next problem is on a square pyramid of base edge 40 mm and height 60 mm, which is resting on HP with its axis vertical and two of its base edges parallel to VP. A section plane perpendicular to VP and inclined at 45 degrees to HP bisects the axis of the pyramid. Draw the development of lateral surface of the retained portion of the solid. This is a given question. So according to which we will draw the question first, then go for the development. So what is the base edge? Base edge is given as 40 mm, where two of the base edges parallel to VP. Two of the base edges are parallel to VP. So you can say this edge and this edge are parallel to VP. This is XY line. So this is a pyramid. You have to join the edges to show the vertical. These edges you can see in the top view in the pyramid. The height of the pyramid is given as 60 mm. Is given as 60 mm. Height is given as 60 mm. So from here it is 60 mm. Just show the projection lines. So this is a pyramid having two of the base edges parallel to VP and height of 60 mm. So let's just name the edges now. So this is A, B, C, D, O. This is O dash, B dash, A dash, C dash, D dash. Okay. Now it is cut by a sectional plane at an angle of 45 degrees to HP. We have to show it is bisecting the pyramid. Bisecting means it is cutting at the midpoint of the vertical axis. So let me first draw the midpoint of this one. So at this point it is bisecting. The angle given is 45 degree. So this is bisecting at angle of 45 degree. So this is a retained portion. So other portion is a which is a taken off. This is the removed portion. So the angle is 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree. So you can see this one, this is 45 degree. So whenever a pyramid is resting on the edge, so we cannot find the slant edge generator, true length of the slant edge. So for that we have to draw a arc, the top view from the center and extend it to the front view and join to the apex. So this line will give the true length of the line whenever it is resting on the edge. So it is cutting, the section plane is cutting the pyramid at 4 points, OA, OB, OC and OD. Let me mark the points. It is cutting OA at 1, OB at 2, OC at 3 and OD at 4. So these are the 4 points where the section plane is cutting the pyramid. So you cannot measure the distance from these points. You have to shift the distance to the end generator. You can measure the distance from these points. Only for this type of problems you can do this one. So 1, 2 is here, 3, 4 is on this line. So to draw the development, first of all let me draw an arc of the arc. There is a length of 64.99, length of end generator 64.99, enter. Any length you can draw, any sweep angle you can draw. So this length is 64.99. I have drawn it here. Join this with the center. So you can dimension this one. So this distance is 40. Each side is having 40 mm. So from here to here it is 40. Sweep length 10 you can take. Okay. Again from here to here it is 40. Sweep length 10. Again this is 40. Again it is 40, 10. We have to extend this one again. So this is 40, 10. You can join them now. name them A, B, C, D and A and O. Dimension them. This is 40. So the measure the length now is cutting. This length is 40 point. So you have to measure the length from this end. So take measurement from here to the apex. From this point to the apex, it is 49.13. So 49.13 it is cutting OA and OB. So arc 49.13. It is cutting here. Again same point 49.13. This 49.13 is cutting OB also 49.13. So it is cutting. You have to measure this length from here, from 3 to 4. So measure from this end here, from here to here it is 32.5. So take arc 32.15. Again here also 32.5. It is cutting D at the same distance. So now join all the lines. One, two, three, 4 and 5. These portions we should be made dark. For that, either you can draw a dark line here if you want. Line, make it dark. So from this point to this point, here to here, here to here. Or you can go for split command and split the line and make it dark. Both the ways you can choose. Any way you can choose to draw the line. So make the lower portion dark and upper portion light. This is the development of a square pyramid, where this is a removed portion, this is a retained portion. So this ends the problem.